Hi! Today, we're going to identify 8 different directional terms and 3 of the axes with my pet cat Minka and Elmo. To start off, we are going to begin with the anterior cephalic or cranial. It refers to the head or the head end part of the body, here. So second is the posterior or the caudal, which refers to the tail end of the body. Then we have the dorsal. This term is only applicable for the lower forms, and it refers to the back or the upper part of Minka's body. Next is the ventral, which is the opposite of the dorsal, and it refers to the lower or underside of Minka's body. While the structures located on both sides of Minka, the left and the right, are referred to as the lateral. Of course, we can't forget about the median, which is referring to any structure that is located the middle part of the body. It can be ventral middle or dorsal middle, as long as it is located at the middle part of the body. For the last two, we have the proximal and the distal. Both proximal and distal refer to the upper and lower extremities of the body. First, we'll discuss proximal. It is referring to the body part that is nearest to the central body mass or the point of origin. While distal, it refers to the body part that is located farthest away from the body mass. For example, when we compare Minka's elbow and paw to each other, the proximal part is the elbow because it is the nearest to the central body mass. Now, obviously, the distal part is the paw because it is the farthest body part to the central body mass. So, that is all for the 8 directional terms. Now, we'll move on to the 3 axes. We'll use Elmo for the first one, which is the longitudinal or the antero-posterior. So, as you can see, this is the anterior part of Elmo's body, which is the front, and the back part is the posterior. So, longitudinal axis is the line exposing from the anterior part going continuously to the posterior part. Next is the sagittal or dorsoventral. We'll be using Minka again for this one because it is only applicable for the lower forms. So, sagittal is the line that divides the manner from the dorsal portion going to the ventral portion. Finally, for the last one, transverse or the medial lateral. The manner is going from side to side, side to side. For example, it can be from side ventral to side or side dorsal to side. That is all for the external anatomy of class Mammalia with Minka and Elmo. Thank you for watching.